What's up, everybody? This is T-Roy here again with T-Roy's Toys. And on today's episode, well, I am a terrible YouTuber. And I'm a terrible YouTuber as in, I've been working on this truck, guys, and I've not been filming it. Now, a lot of it's stuff you just don't want to see. I've been playing with the alternator, been trying to get that wiring right. I think I got it right, because it's never been charging. I've got to where it's charging now, and it's not trying to burn the truck down. So, part of that problem was I never saw it how the wiring was supposed to go, and I'm not an electrician. I don't pretend to be. I'm a professional plumber, but I was directly grounding something, so every time it got power, it would start burning stuff up. So anyway, got that straightened out. The alternator is charging. I took it to the exhaust shop. They put the exhaust on it, so I've been kind of tuning on it and stuff, just trying to fix a few things. I had to replace the fuel pump, so that was fun. Hope that's not a hope that was just a fluke or something on my end with the electrical. Maybe it blew it out. But anyway, guys, one of the things I want to touch on is the interior. Now, I don't, right now there's not a whole lot I can do with it, but I need to do something with that seat. Well, here it is, guys. This is a seat cover we got. I'm not an upholstery guy, so we're not gonna get all into it. But I got this off of eBay. It was like 50 some odd dollars. It didn't quite look this dark, but I think it'll be fine. And honestly, I think anything's going to be better than what's currently there. So, unless maybe you put a trash bag on it, but who knows. Anyway, I hope it fits. Used to get these at Walmart for like 20 some dollars, but now I guess inflation, who knows. But alright, guys, I'm going to slide this sucker on and I'll bring y'all back when it's on. Whew. Well, alrighty, guys, I got her done. I got the seat cover put in. It looks better. I'm not 100% happy with it, but it does cover. It does make it look better. Also, I threw the floor mats in, the old floor mats I have for the Maverick, so give it something a little bit better. Yeah, guys, I had to take that seat out of there. That seat cover, they didn't have a very good description on eBay. I'd give it a 4 out of 10, and I definitely would not buy it again. But I can't send it back because I have to pay for shipping, and by that time, I'm out money either way. So I might as well just keep it and get the seat redone, or might even put bucket seats in it later. Who knows? Anyway, guys, I forgot to tell you, I also put new tires on this thing and painted the wheels black. Well, let's put the hubcaps and stuff on it. Alrighty, guys, there you have it. No, the Ranger's not done, but she is running and driving and street legal. And look at that. I guess the older I get, the more I like the Steelies with the beauty rings on there. I like that look. I think the black wheels with the black trim looks really good. Y'all comment down below, let me know what you think. And the seat cover, I'm still not happy with it, but it rides, so it covers. But yeah, maybe next video we'll do a little polishing on the paint. Probably going to take this back bumper off. I'm not a big fan of that. It's kind of, it's just not my style. But yeah, she is a long bed and she is ready to go. Oh guys, I almost forgot. I got to make it official. Boom. Oh guys, and I almost forgot one other thing. Picked this up from Sweet Patina some odd years back, and I think it's fitting for this one now, as it runs. Do not tell. Well, alrighty guys, there you have it. There's a little update on the Ford flipping Ranger that we got going. She runs and drives, she's street legal, She's good to go. Anyway, guys, hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope to have some more on this. My goal is to have this in a car show in Palestine here, well, as I'm filming this in a couple of weeks. So, wish me luck. So, anyway, guys, I want to thank y'all for watching. Remember, please like, subscribe, all that mumbo jumbo everybody else always says. Y'all have a good evening.